Weddings can be stressful for couples, but they're exactly why they're willing to pay someone to handle the details. If you're creative, organized, and passionate about helping other people plan one of the most important days of their lives, this could be a lucrative opportunity for you. In this video, I'll be showing you what wedding planning truly involves, why it's a great side hustle, and how you can get started with minimal upfront costs. Couples often feel overwhelmed by details like budgeting, vendor coordination, and timeline management, and they'll pay good money for someone who can handle it all. As a planner, you help them stay organized, make timely decisions, and ensure that the big day goes smoothly. Even if you only have a few hours in the evenings or on the weekends, you can still serve clients who prefer flexible communication. The key here is understanding your strengths. Maybe you're good at design, or maybe you're a master of logistics. Either way, there's a niche for every kind of planner. One of the first steps to stand out is deciding your specialty. Some planners focus on intimate backyard gatherings, while others thrive on large high-end affairs. You might also specialize in cultural weddings, destination events, or themed celebrations like rustic barn nuptials. Choosing an area helps you hone your skills and market more effectively. Couples are often drawn to planners who get their style right away. This targeted approach can lead to word-of-mouth referrals in that specific community or market. Taking the time to define your focus can save you endless hours and confusion later down the line. Vendor relationships are another big part of wedding planning. You'll want to find reliable florists, caterers, DJs, and photographers who fit your couple's budgets and preferences. By partnering with vendors who match your vision and professionalism, you can create a consistent experience for your clients. Over time, you might develop a preferred vendor list that adds value to your services. In turn, vendors can then refer couples to you when they sense a good match. Building these relationships can start with a simple introduction on social media or through local wedding expos. Having a team you trust makes the planning process so much smoother. Now, if you're wanting to grow quickly, you'll definitely want to think about setting up an online presence. A well-structured website can showcase your previous work, share testimonials, and detail your pricing packages. If you're looking for an easy way to build and manage a professional site, consider checking out Squarespace. It offers straightforward templates that adapt to your aesthetic, which is a huge plus in a visually driven industry like wedding planning. You can feature photos, highlight vendor partners, and even integrate a calendar for clients to book consultations. Squarespace also simplifies the process of updating your portfolio so prospective clients see you're active and dedicated. If you're not tech savvy, these tools can help you establish credibility without learning complex coding. If you guys want to get started with Squarespace, I would definitely recommend using the link down in the description. It's going to be one of the easiest ways to start building your wedding planning website and start getting clients through the door. One of the first things you want to do is head down to the link down in the description and click it for Squarespace. Once you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks like this. All we have to do is hit the Get Started button, which will then take us to their setup page. Now you can go through and tell them exactly what you're trying to build here, and as you can see, weddings is an option. We can then hit the next button and then scroll to any of one of these options and click these options. Now for the sake of this, we're going to be selling our services, so we can hit the next button here, and then we can either browse their templates that already exist or use artificial intelligence to start building our website. Now, one of my recommendations here is to just go ahead and use the AI tool. This tool is incredibly powerful and it works really well. All we have to do is create a quick account here, which we can do so by using our email and creating a password. Once we've done all of that, we'll then hit the continue button. It'll then start setting things up for us and then take us into the next part, which is actually using the artificial intelligence to start building our website. As you can see here, we already have a couple of things already listed down here. Now for our site title, we're just going to put in the actual name of our company that we're going to be doing our wedding planning from. So in this case, we'll just call our wedding planning The Perfect Day LLC. I'm sure this probably exists somewhere else, but this is just an example. Obviously, come up with your own creative name that doesn't obviously involve this. We'll then scroll down here and we'll say for our brand personality, we want it to probably feel sophisticated. We'll then scroll down and hit the next button. Then we're then taken to the next page, which is all about building our homepage. Now we can choose exactly what sections of the website we want them to build out for us. We could choose an intro section, our services section, and even our footer section. As you can see here, AI is completely generating this all for us. We don't have to do any work here, which is just incredibly powerful. As you can see, we even have a services breakdown, which showcase the types of services that we offer, as well as our pricing, as well as an intro section. And we can even add appointments, and if we really want to do this, we can do an about section. Once we have all of this, we'll then hit the next button, which will take us to our add pages to the site. And on this page, we can add any other pages that we think might be relevant or useful. We'll then hit the next button, which will then take us to our color palette, which we can choose to be any of these. But I think I really like this color palette that they've already selected for us. So we'll hit the next button, which will then take us to the very last page where we can choose the font that we want to go with. I think I kind of want something a little bit more kind of hip and interesting, or potentially even something a little bit more upscale with this kind of Times New Roman look. Once I've chosen what my font is going to be, I'll then hit the finish button. And just like that, they're gathering our pages using their artificial intelligence to build us our very own website. And as you can see, it really only took us about 30 seconds for that to be built. And now we officially have our very first website built inside of Squarespace. And most of this stuff is already built for us and written for us. So we really only have to do minimal edits here. We even have an appointment thing where we can have a free consultation, basic services, advanced service. I mean, guys, this is incredibly, amazingly powerful if you need to use this to build your own wedding website, especially for a wedding booking website as well. Once again, if you want to get started with Squarespace completely for free, I would definitely recommend using the link down in the description. Also, once the 14-day trial is up with that link, you'll definitely want to go with one of the plans that they have. And when you're going with that plan, make sure you use the code MyFirstWebsite, all capitals, no spaces at checkout, for an even greater discount. Another important thing is social media marketing. One of the key ways to actually attract clients in the first place is to actually market yourself on a social media platform. You can do this by posting on places like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even Snapchat. Posting mood boards, table settings, or behind the scenes snippets from ongoing events allows potential clients to envision what your actual event could look like if they worked with you. Make sure to showcase your unique style and showcase too that you're more than willing to accommodate requests or specific inquiries. In order to streamline your social media strategy, you can use a tool like PostPlanner to help you schedule the best content in your industry, making sure that you're consistently putting out content so your account actually grows and you see the actual growth that you want to achieve. Once again, if you want to get started with PostPlanner, you can get started completely for free with the link down in the description, which should take you to this page here where you'll simply hit the Start Free Account button, which will then take you to their checkout page, which is basically just creating an account, and after that you're ready to go with PostPlanner. Now, another crucial aspect of wedding planning is design. Now, design is also another central aspect of wedding planning. You can think invitations, color themes, and decor concepts. Now, when you think about this, most people don't want to do this themselves. They are definitely going to want to hire somebody to do this and make it look professional. And the best part is that even if you're not a trained graphic designer, you can use a tool like Canva, which has professional looking templates that you can start building your very own wedding invites completely on your own. You don't need a graphic designer working under you, and you don't even need to really have experience. You can create mood boards for clients, mock-up table arrangements, or even design a digital invite for smaller events. Canva's templates and drag and drop features make it simple to put together a cohesive theme that reflects each couple's unique interests. This can boost your overall service, making your proposals more appealing, and it also helps you quickly adjust designs when clients want smaller tweaks. In the crowded world of wedding planning, visual presentation can really set you up here. You can get started with them with the link down in the description. And of course, we can get started with Canva completely for free, just without a couple of features. But if you want to upgrade to any of these features, it's pretty affordable. Once you have a solid brand identity and online platform, you'll need to decide on your pricing strategy. Some wedding planners offer all-inclusive packages that cover every detail from booking the venue to day of coordination. Others break it down into tiers like basic, intermediate, and full service planning. You can also charge an hourly rate, but packages often feel cleaner to the clients who prefer knowing what they get for a set amount. Starting at a modest rate can help you attract initial clients and gain testimonials. In time, your market services will align with your true market value. When you're ready to start taking on clients, look at family, friends, or people that are close to you. Offer a discount or a referral bonus to people who connect with you or with new customers. You could also join wedding-related Facebook groups or post listings on local event websites. With consistent effort, you'll soon find couples who need help with planning. Take time to discuss their vision, budget, and expectations in the very first call that you have with them. Showcasing empathy and genuine interest can really turn a consultation into a booking. Over time, your list of happy clients will grow. Handling the finances side of your planning endeavor is definitely important. That's why I definitely would recommend using something like QuickBooks, which is going to be the easiest way to do your bookkeeping and keep track of all your expenses and your revenue. If you want to get started with QuickBooks, definitely use that link down in the description. One of the last really key things here is customer service. Keeping clients updated on deadlines, vendor changes, or budget shifts prevents any surprises. Be proactive in solving problems. If a florist falls through, you can suggest alternative options. Couples remember how you handle these bumps more than the bumps themselves, so quick responses to emails and calls shows respect for their concerns. If anything goes off track, communicate openly and propose solutions. Treat each wedding with care, as word of mouth and referrals often depend on small acts of thoughtfulness. Once you have all this going through, planning the large events should be the easy part. Considering the fact that you've already set yourself up with success with having great relationships with vendors, having great project management software, and also having a clear understanding with the actual clients that you're working with of what they're expecting. Once you've gone through all of this, you should be ready to go to start planning your very first weddings and making money from the side hustle. If you guys have any questions about the side hustle, make sure to comment them down in the comments. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos about wedding planning or other side hustles. Other than that though, I'll see you guys in the next video.